Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Hyatt Regency Boston Harbor. 2-night stay booked with points. I'm going on a cruise, so staying here before that. You can see a view around the room, television, coffee maker coming in, table, 2 chairs, the king bed, and the bathroom. Interesting time is on the mirror, cool feature. Have the body lotion, body wash, and just one sink here, nothing special about the toilet, and a tub and shower. Appears to be ADA accessible. A little step up into the tub and a sliding door. Some art in the bathroom, some blue shades coming back, a mirror on the wall, and AC for temperature control. Coming over here with my stay and the Hyatt Globalist status, and that includes 2 bottles of water, $10 food credit, discount on some local attractions, and Wi-Fi. Here we have chowder tokens. I saw this at the check-in desk. They give complimentary clam chowder. There are the waters and a large TV in the center of the room on this desk. Coffee maker with pods and more water bottles. I don't believe I had to pay the destination fee as part of Globalist, but got a free hotel shuttle to come to this location. That's nice. Here a side desk with some outlets for phone charging. On both sides, seeing the nightstand. Here we have notepad, pen, and some nautical imagery, as this is the Boston Harbor property. We'll come to the end here and look for a view. Looks like some water taxis coming out. One with a red roof, the other one a little bit shaky there with a gray roof, and you could see the city, the Boston Harbor area. Lots of tall buildings. Lots of ships on the side and the taxis going out. I'm on the 9th floor to get a nice view of the Boston Harbor area. A lot of walking space outside. I'll go out there and take some videos and an alternate view of the room from the other side. See the large king bed, the TV in the middle. A little dark in here. I've put all the lights on. Walking towards the door, get a closet here, safe inside, dark in here as well, and some hangers, ironing board, iron. Down here we have the refrigerator, opening to house the waters and perhaps food and other items, medical supplies. So a nice room here, Hyatt Regency Boston Harbor. We'll walk once more to get the view to close out the video. Large boat on this side. Pretty cool. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.